Have you ever walked through a garden enjoying the fresh air and the beauty of nature all around you, only to suddenly feel a sticky, invisible thread brush across your face or arms? That surprising sensation is the work of a spider, quietly spinning its web between branches and leaves. At first touch, a spider web feels fragile, almost like it could break with the slightest movement. But did you know that this delicate thread is actually one of the strongest natural materials on Earth? It's a marvel of engineering hidden in plain sight. Spider silk is so strong for its size that scientists and engineers around the world are fascinated by it. They're studying its unique properties, hoping to unlock the secrets behind its incredible strength and flexibility, and to use those secrets to invent new, super strong materials for our own world. Imagine a material that's lighter than cotton, yet ounce for ounce, it's stronger than steel. That's the magic of spider silk. It's so tough that, if you could weave a strand as thick as a pencil, it could actually stop a speeding jumbo jet in its tracks. This might sound like science fiction, but it's true. The unique combination of strength, stretchiness, and lightness makes spider silk a wonder material that scientists dream of recreating in the lab. Because of these amazing qualities, researchers are working hard to copy spider silk for all kinds of uses. Imagine safer, lighter climbing ropes for adventurers, or medical stitches that are both strong and gentle for healing wounds. Some even hope to create lightweight bulletproof vests that could protect people without weighing them down, all inspired by the humble spider's silk. It's truly astonishing that such a tiny creature, often overlooked or even feared, can produce something so powerful and useful. Spiders are master builders, using their silk to create traps, shelters, and even parachutes for traveling on the wind. Spiders are born with special silk glands inside their bodies. These glands produce a liquid protein, which the spider carefully pulls out through tiny tubes called spinnerets at the tip of its abdomen. As soon as this liquid silk touches the air, it transforms, hardening instantly into a stretchy, super strong thread. The spider can control the thickness and type of silk it makes depending on what it needs: sticky silk for catching prey, or strong non-sticky silk for building the web's frame. So next time you spot a spider web glistening in the sunlight, take a moment to look closer. You're witnessing a masterpiece of natural engineering, crafted with skill and precision by a tiny architect. Each strand is a showcase of strength, flexibility, and design, qualities that humans are still trying to fully understand and replicate. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we can gain from nature's inventions. Spiders may be small, but they are truly nature's tiny superheroes, spinning silk that could one day change the world. To understand spider silk's strength, let's imagine a simple experiment. Spider silk is often compared to steel in terms of its tensile strength, but it's much more than that. It's a marvel of natural engineering. Place a cricket on a web, it holds easily. The web's intricate design and the silk's properties make it incredibly effective at trapping prey. That's like you building a net that could catch a 125-pound dog. Imagine the precision and strength required to create such a net. Add a dollar bill, still no problem. The web's ability to hold such weight is due to the silk's unique molecular structure. The web stretches but doesn't break. This elasticity is crucial for absorbing the energy of struggling prey. Spider silk is not just strong, it's elastic, able to stretch without snapping. This combination of strength and flexibility is rare in materials. Now add a plastic pen casing, much heavier, but the web still holds. This demonstrates the silk's incredible load-bearing capacity. If scaled up, that's like a net holding a small car. The potential applications of such a material are vast, from medical sutures to bulletproof vests. Of course, everything has a breaking point. Add something much heavier and the web will snap. But even this breaking point is impressive. But this shows just how powerful spider silk is. Threads thinner than a hair can hold incredible weight. The silk's strength-to-weight ratio is unmatched. It's not just a flimsy cobweb, it's a high-performance trap. Each strand is meticulously crafted to maximize efficiency. The spider's ability to create such strength from its own body is a true wonder. This natural process is a testament to the marvels of evolution. Next time you see a web, remember, it's one of nature's most remarkable materials. Spiders are true engineers, creating masterpieces of strength and design. The golden silk orb weaver is famous for its gigantic shimmering webs. Its silk is so strong that it's been studied for making bulletproof vests. These spiders build webs several feet across, with thick golden strands that can catch even large insects, or small birds. The web's main support lines are extra strong, holding up in wind and weather. The female weaves and repairs her web, making it stronger over time. In some places, people have woven fabric from this golden silk. A tapestry made from over 1 million spiders' silk is on display in a museum. The golden silk orb weaver is a true champion of the natural world. Its silk is legendary. Not all spiders build webs in the open. The trapdoor spider is a master of stealth. It digs a burrow in the soil and lines it with silk, creating a hidden, reinforced tunnel. At the entrance, it builds a perfectly camouflaged trapdoor from soil, moss, and silk. The door is hinged with silk and blends into the ground, hiding the spider's lair. The spider sets up silk tripwires around the entrance. When an insect touches a tripwire, the vibration alerts the spider below. In a flash, the spider bursts out, grabs its prey, and disappears underground. The attack is over in a second, and the ground looks untouched. This hunting strategy shows how spiders use silk for more than just webs. The trapdoor spider's home is a marvel of engineering and surprise. Spiders have found many ways to survive and thrive. Nature's creativity is endless. Meet the fishing spider, a remarkable arachnid that has mastered the art of hunting on the surface of ponds and streams. Unlike most spiders, which rely on intricate webs to trap their prey, the fishing spider has evolved a completely different strategy for survival. It spends much of its life right at the water's edge, always alert and ready to spring into action. Instead of spinning webs, this spider uses its long, water-repellent legs to walk, glide, and even run across the surface of the water. Its movements are so smooth and controlled that it almost appears to be skating, barely making a ripple as it goes. The secret lies in the thousands of microscopic hairs covering its legs. These hairs trap tiny pockets of air, creating a cushion that keeps the spider from sinking. This adaptation allows the fishing spider to move effortlessly across the water, giving it access to prey that other spiders could never reach. Its body is so lightweight and its weight is distributed so evenly that it can stand perfectly still, walk with precision, and even dash at high speeds across the pond's surface. This unique ability makes it one of the few creatures in the world that can truly walk on water. The fishing spider spends hours waiting patiently at the water's edge, its sensitive front legs stretched out to touch the surface. These legs act like antennae, picking up the faintest vibrations and ripples that signal the presence of potential prey. When an unsuspecting insect falls into the water, the spider instantly detects the disturbance. In a split second, it sprints across the water, using its incredible speed and agility to close in on its target before it can escape. But the fishing spider's talents don't end there. If necessary, it can dive beneath the surface, carrying a silvery bubble of air trapped in its leg hairs. This bubble allows it to breathe underwater while it hunts for small fish, tadpoles, or aquatic insects, making it a versatile and formidable predator. Once it has caught its prey, the spider drags it back to the safety of the shore, where it can eat without disturbance. This behavior ensures it stays safe from aquatic predators while enjoying its meal. The fishing spider is a testament to the adaptability of spiders. From climbing trees to gliding across water, these creatures have conquered almost every environment on Earth. Their resourcefulness and resilience make them true survivors in the natural world. Deep in the deserts of southern Africa lives the six-eyed sand spider, a master of camouflage. It doesn't spin webs or chase prey. Instead, it buries itself in sand, becoming nearly invisible. Its flat, sandy-colored body and bristly hairs help it blend perfectly with the desert floor. The spider can wait for weeks, even months, for prey to wander close. When a lizard or scorpion comes near, the spider explodes from the sand and delivers a lightning-fast bite. Its venom is cytotoxic, destroying tissue and quickly immobilizing its prey. The six-eyed sand spider rarely encounters humans, but it's one of the most patient and deadly hunters. This spider shows how animals adapt to harsh environments, using camouflage and patience as their greatest weapons. Even in the toughest places, spiders find a way to thrive. Nature's inventiveness is on full display. The six-eyed sand spider is a true desert phantom. Camouflage is its superpower. The spitting spider is a real-life web slinger. Unlike most spiders, it shoots sticky, venomous silk from its fangs, not its abdomen. When it spots prey, it creeps close, then fires 2 streams of silk in a zigzag pattern. The sticky web instantly covers and pins the victim, immobilizing it. The silk is mixed with venom, paralyzing the prey on contact. The spider can subdue its meal from a safe distance, then calmly approach to feed. This attack is one of the fastest in the animal kingdom, over 60 miles per hour. The spitting spider is a true marvel of nature. It's a real-life superhero among spiders. Web slinging isn't just for comic books. Not all spiders are scary, some are downright adorable. Meet the jumping spider. With big, curious eyes and fuzzy bodies, they look almost cartoonish. Their excellent vision helps them hunt and explore with precision. Jumping spiders don't build webs to catch food. Instead, they stalk their prey and leap many times their body length to pounce. Before jumping, they attach a silk drag line as a safety rope. If they miss, they simply climb back up and try again. Their intelligence and curiosity make them seem more like tiny kittens than predators. Jumping spiders are a perfect mix of cute, clever, and courageous. They show that spiders can be fascinating, not frightening. Sometimes the smallest creatures are the most remarkable. From super strong silk to clever camouflage, spiders are some of the most amazing creatures on Earth. They're not just creepy crawlies, they're master engineers, hunters, and survivors. Spiders play a crucial role in controlling insect populations, acting as natural pest control. Without them, pests like mosquitoes and flies would multiply out of control. Most spiders are harmless to humans and would rather hide than bite. By learning about them, we can replace fear with respect and curiosity. Next time you see a spider, pause and appreciate its incredible abilities. Maybe it can build a web stronger than steel or leap with perfect aim. Instead of squishing it, gently release it outside to continue its important job. Spiders are marvels of nature, not monsters. By respecting them, we help protect the balance of life on our planet.